Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a message in Meta Business Suite. If you need to remove a conversation from your business inbox, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go through how to access your inbox, open the message you want to remove, and then delete it. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're already signed into the correct business account so you can access the messages connected to your page or business assets. Once the dashboard loads, you'll be on the main home area of Meta Business Suite. From there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Inbox. This is where Meta Business Suite collects your business conversations, including messages and communication from connected channels. If you manage multiple conversations, the inbox is the central place where you can review and organize them. After the inbox opens, find the message or conversation you want to delete. In this example, you'll select the sample message. Clicking the message will open the conversation so you can review it before removing it. This is a helpful moment to double check that you've selected the correct thread, especially if you handle many customer conversations on a regular basis. Once the conversation is open, go to the top area of the message view and click the delete icon. After selecting it, Meta Business Suite will ask you to confirm the deletion. Confirm the action to permanently remove the message. Keep in mind that deleting a message is usually intended to help clean up your inbox or remove conversations you no longer need. Because of that, it's a good idea to pause for a second before confirming, just to make sure you won't need that conversation later for reference or follow-up. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to delete a message in Meta Business Suite by opening the platform, going to the inbox from the left navigation, selecting the conversation, and using the delete icon to confirm removal. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you should be able to keep your Meta Business Suite inbox more organized and easier to manage.